The average African American genome is very distinct from the African genomes from which they were taken. Now, you couple that with the fact that there is more genetic diversity within the African continent than in the rest of the world put together, which means that, on average, someone from Senegal is more different genetically to someone from Angola than either of those people are to anyone else on the rest of the planet.
If we all descend from two people, how can we all be multiple different colors and different races? And those two people, I'm not just talking about Adam and Eve, but Noah and his wife. Yes, Noah and his wife produced all varieties of skin tones. And this has to do with migration, evolution, and genetic mutations. It's very likely that Noah and his wife were a mid-range brown. Since Japheth's line stayed to the colder regions, went more north, went to Asia, you're going to get your lighter skin tones, where we have...
What you are about to see is DNA's most extraordinary secret. How a simple code is turned into flesh and blood. It begins with a bundle of factors assembling at the start of a gene. A gene is simply a length of DNA instructions stretching away to the left. The assembled factors trigger the first phase of the process.
What if I told you a black woman's DNA helped cure diseases and even made it to space? In 1951, Henrietta Lacks went to the hospital for cancer treatment. Without her knowledge or consent, doctors took her cells, and something incredible happened. Her cells didn't die. They kept multiplying forever. Scientists named them HeLa cells, the first immortal human cells. Her cells have been used to create...
So real quick, black women are the only organisms on Earth that possess the mitochondrial DNA that has all of the variations possible for every single kind of different human being on this earth. The African, the albino, the European, the Middle Eastern. When the DNA of a black woman mutates, all other kinds of human beings come about. Go ahead and research this topic. It's called the Eve gene.
Today we'll be talking about the creator of heaven, the woman. Now our ancestors left us messages for the future. And this blue goddess that is hovering above, what symbolizes that the goddesses have rulership over the spiritual realm. The universe is separated by waters above and waters below. As a child, when we look at the stars, we would say, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star." If you look at the stars, it looked like light reflecting on water.